we get the 230 volt AC supply, which is converted to 12 volt DC by SMPS, switch mode power supply. Next, the supply is taken to the IC circuit through a switch in IC pin 8, 7, 6 and 5, pin 1 connected with NPN transistor base. IC pin 2 is connected to the smoke detector transistor base, and the plus 5 volt supply is connected to the buzzer. When the smoke detector gets the smoke, it energized. Next, it flows the power through the terminal that connected to the pin number 2 in the IC. As per the characteristics of IC number HA17358B, the pin 2 and pin 1 will be connected. For switching application, transistor is biased so that it remains completely off in absence of base signal and remains on if there is a signal at its base. That is why the transistor base got energized, and it also energizes the buzzer. The buzzer is produce the alarming sound, and the circuit detects it with alarm. It is a demonstration of smoke detector circuit.